So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. So first log into your Microsoft Planner account so you can see it looking something like this once you've done that. After that you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and you can always add a new plan. So if you want to delete some plans, so something isn't going the way you want with that plan, so you want to remove it, that's fine. You can just go to my plans and you can then see a list of the plans that you've added. So through here you can even see by categories of recent, shared, personal, and pinned plans. So you can see a better layout and find the plan that you want to delete. And deleting it's not that complicated. You can just click on more options and you can see the options like hide, so you can remove it from view on there. But if you want to really delete it, and from there you can check out some of the details like these ones. But if you want to delete it, go to plan and then click on the plan title again. So through here you can see plan details and you can see general, plan name, suggested backgrounds, and you can see the option delete this plan. So let's just click on that and you can see the options. You're about to permanently delete this plan and all of its tasks. And then you will need to just check this box. I understand that this plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. So that just means that you've understood this message. And after that, just click on delete. As you can see, there isn't 4 anymore, there's just 3. One of the plans has been deleted. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.